On Saturday, March 16th, I co-hosted the Vibrational Light and Sound workshop with Hannah Stein and Ashland Reiki and Wellness. A lot of the times when I do Lucia Light sessions for people or co-host these vibrational workshops, I will channel a message. This workshop was about manifesting miracles, and I channeled the message just about that. And here is the recording of what I wrote. Manifesting miracles. And how much do you believe? Believe that you are worthy of all that you desire and more. There is no mistake that Hannah chose to add a gold-plated crystal bowl to her collection, that it arrived just in time for this workshop. We are always working with you, loving you into consciousness. Where can you let go? Let go of the resistance. It's almost as if that's truly the only lesson to learn on earth. To let go and commune with love. To become one with love. Because that is what we are. We are love. Pure love. And you think you may know what love is, but you have only had itty-bitty tiny glimpses of love. Well, Daniel had a big glimpse of love during his first solo Lucia Light session and today's group workshop. And oh my goodness, do you see how big and powerful and infinite love is? So truly, if you want to connect with miracles, connect with love and light, and let love and light wash away whatever might be keeping you from unionizing with love. And we would like to offer you something fun. When you go home after today's workshop, continue journaling about your miracle. And when you have another opportunity to sit down with some paper, we recommend that you grab a trash can and place this trash can in front of where you're sitting. And while you're journaling on this paper, write down anything that's a limiting belief about manifesting your miracle. Write it big and silly on a piece of paper, and then giggle and chuckle and crumple it up and playfully throw that limiting belief into the trash can. Playfully and lightly. Do you see what we've done there? We've played with the word light. We had said that light and love is what will wash away the resistance. So we are saying, be light with this. Giggle and chuckle and make light of it. And then throw that limiting belief in the trash can and do it over and over again until you're cracking yourself up about how silly these limiting beliefs are. And one more final suggestion. Just go out and have fun in life and don't take it all so seriously. Love, the Light Guides.